she's leaving with him. Guess she has her reasons, babe. I wanna know all about it, 'cause for many years been living next door to Chris. So many years waiting for a small chance I may get. She only living next door to me. Want to tell her how I feel about her. At the second glance, I'm not used to not living next door to Chris. Grew up together when we were two kids in the park, living next door to Chris. And now she's gone. You could not tell, but I never meant to hurt you again. Only passed down to help out as a friend. I stayed out your sight for all of this time, been wondering what for. I got my answer, now is clear. You thought my heart is gone from, but yours is hanging on inside for longer. It's eating me to nothing, so when you're just waiting on, be ready for your sign. Don't wait all night tomorrow. Keep wishing could make time stop, get you to turn around for me, but around and with mercy, or see me crying. So much I want, I need to say to you. The many reasons why we split up, but after all, only one who really knew me so. Take me well, there's just one empty space. Still there's nothing here to remind me of the past, the memory of you. So I remember, don't worry, none could I ever forget that you left me here alone like that last time we ever met. How I wish for the rain to wash me clean. How I wish for all rains to come down on me. How I wish for all rains to come down on me. I wish for the rains to come down. Rains to come down on me. My life is tumbling down. I'm crushing or collapsing around me. Uncontrollably structured, falling apart, pile of chaotic crashing. Let me mention this to you, revealing now what is on my mind. Love like yours is hard to find inside myself, very sure I'm only you for me. I need more and more every day, over here and over there. Please turned me inside to your zombie, showed me life was about not only you, as both of us. You're the only one that stole my heart from me, make only you. How I wish Empty table, empty space, nothing.